Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 3T10 and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode or night mode on this device. So basically we'll begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's tap on the display. Now on the fourth position we've got the eye comfort mode, so let's enter, and here we are able to customize this mode. First of all, we have to turn it on to actually see the changes which we will do. So let's tap on this switcher, and as you can see, thanks to this the screen turns yellowish or even orangish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. And what's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl and if you like to use this device at night, then this mode is totally for you. It will for sure help your eyes to rest a little bit. So coming to the customization, we can customize the color temperature. As you can see here, we've got the switcher which is dedicated to it. Right now it is set on the warmest settings. Of course we can, defaultly it will be somewhere here around the middle, and we can go to the left, which is less warm. The screen is kind of cool, I would say, so this eye comfort mode is not that visible here. So of course set it just like you want to. I really prefer to have it more warm. What's more, you can customize the schedule, so you don't have to manually turn it on or off. You can do it automatically. Your device will do it automatically. You've got the schedule plan. So let's tap on it, and here we've got two different options. So we've got the custom schedule, and here you can freely pick the hours you'd like to use. So for example, something like this, you can turn it on around 11 o'clock and turn it off around 5 o'clock. Tap on OK, and as you can see, the screen will immediately change the colors. It is of course because we are between the start and the end time. And the second option to schedule it is to set from sunset to sunrise. And after picking this option, your device will simply decide when the sunset and sunrise are. It is probably network-based or location-based. So it's up to you. You can of course use those schedules option. I really prefer to turn it on or off manually, so let me turn off this option. And basically this is the whole customization of this eye comfort mode. And now I can show you much faster access to it, so you don't have to go through the settings to this option. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. And here we have to find the icon which is connected with the eye comfort mode. And as far as I can see, there is no reading mode, eye comfort mode here, but no worries, just tap on edit and scroll down. And as you can see here, we've got the section with the icons which are not added to the status options. So we have to find the eye comfort mode, which is right here. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to this white section. As you can see, it will be immediately added. So tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. Come on. Alright, and as you can see, the eye comfort mode will appear right here. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on it, and the screen will immediately get back to its normal state, to the cool tones, and you can turn it on the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Alcatel 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.